Most cleaning businesses don't have a lead problem. They have a follow-up problem. Leads come in, they ask for a quote, and then disappear. You forget to follow up, or you send one message and never hear back. But here's the truth. Cold leads aren't lost leads, unless you let them go cold. The businesses that win are the ones that follow up consistently and automatically. That's exactly what the WebEye system is built to do. We took the Go High Level platform, one of the most powerful automation tools out there, and built a ready-to-run system for cleaning businesses. It's designed to capture every lead and follow up for you, even if they don't reply right away. Here's how it works. A lead comes in, they get an instant reply. If they don't respond, the system follows up again, with value, not spam. Still cold? It tags them and puts them into a re-engagement sequence weeks later. You stay top of mind without lifting a finger. It's not just about getting leads, it's about converting them. And that's what this system was built for. Click the link in the description to access the WebEye lead automation system built on Go High Level. And stop losing leads that should have been yours.